U.S. stocks seeing minor gains ahead of the open this Tuesday morning as markets await key economic reports, including the services PMI index. That's at 9:45 this morning. And we have 10 o'clock in the morning, the non-manufacturing ISM read and JOLTS jobs report. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, the euro and the sterling are seeing gains against the U.S. dollar. We first take a look at the euro-dollar pair, which sees a bullish bias above 116.70. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair sees a rebound, while the dollar-Japanese yen pair, that sees the upside prevail. Now, the euro-Japanese yen pair, that sees the bias remain bullish, and it's in focus this morning as the pair remains on the upside, supported by its rising moving averages. Long positions above 128.05 are favored, with targets at 129 and 129.65 in extension. Onto the Bitcoin dollar intraday, it's below its lower Bollinger Band at 75.39, which is Trading Central's pivot point, while seeing the downside prevail as long as 75.39 is the resistance. And on to precious metals, gold intraday sees its key resistance at 1297.50, and that's in focus. Gold remaining on the downside, capped by its declining moving averages. Short positions below 1297.50 are favored, with targets at 1289 and 1286 in extension. And lastly, silver intraday, that sees choppy trade. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on this, a Tuesday morning, I'm James Swin.